Introducing Rainmax Rainwater Harvesting Filters. Our installation process is simple to understand and easy to execute. First, the filter is fixed onto the wall using anchor bolts. Then, the downtake pipe is connected to the filter chamber. Finally, the clean water outlet is connected with a pipe to the storage tank. This tank is then connected to the dead borewell. That's it. The Rainmax filter is ready to use. The maintenance process is very simple too. First, lift the cap. Then loosen the bolts with the hex key provided in the kit. Remove the mesh from the filter chamber, wash with water and place back into the filter. Lastly, tighten the bolts and put the lid back onto the filter. That's it. The maintenance process is complete. Reach out to Rainmax today and solve your water problems for the future.